Hi, I'm Dr. Shanmuga Prakash. I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon from Chennai. This is one of its kind of hands-on workshop in South India. I have attended numerous hands-on workshops in multiple countries and other areas in India. We have to pay a lot of money, and just for the namesake, they will give some few hands-on for a few minutes or so. But then over here, it is definitely worth the money which we are actually paying to attend this workshop.
Hi, I'm Dr. Fayaz. I'm from Thrissur. I'm a plastic surgeon in Daya Hospital. So since the time I started my practice, I've always been following Dr. Karthik, following his videos. I've always been amazed by how he manages the patients. Gynecomastia surgery, we all do that. I mean, as plastic surgeons, it's a common surgery that we do. Dr. Karthik showed us the nuances and, just to really improve that, just that little something, how you can improve for a patient. That's what he showed us, and it's just amazing.
Hi, my name is Dr. Kamalbir Singh and I'm a final year plastic surgery resident. Today I'm here at the CHESTSCULPT that is being conducted at Chennai Plastic Surgery Center run by Dr. Karthik Ram. The experience is amazing, and the technologies that we are learning here and the procedures, the implications of everything is great, and we are getting hands-on exposure.
Hi, I'm Dr. Lata Madhavan, consultant plastic surgeon from SIMS Hospital, Vadaparani. I have attended this 2 days workshop conducted by Dr. Karthik Raman in Chennai Plastic Surgery Center, which is called as CHESTSCULPT on 5th and 6th June 2026. The first day was total demonstration of gynecomastia step-by-step from initial anesthesia, markings, anesthesia, to final skin suturing and dressing. The next day, we get to practice, do hands-on workshop on gynecomastia.
Hello, this is Dr. Sriram. I am a plastic surgeon from Tirupati. So I came in for this chest sculpt workshop to upgrade my skills, and this is very useful master class, and I am very thankful to Dr. Karthik Ram sir.
Hi, I'm Dr. Siddhi Punnus. I'm from Calicut, Kerala. The Dr. Karthik Ram and his team has done a wonderful job, and I think this will do a world of good for all plastic surgeons, both growing as well as experienced plastic surgeons, to get an idea of the newer techniques in gynecomastia surgery.
Hi, myself Dr. Shivakumar Subramanian. I'm from Coimbatore. Since gynecomastia surgery is one of the common surgery we encounter regularly, but the grade 3 and 4 is a lot of complication. Post-operatively develop some skin sagging, hematoma, and also seroma. This workshop really given insight to how to prevent the complication, how to avoid complication. I learned so many things regarding the gynecomastia surgery.